Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Actually, welcome back to another unboxing. Today in this package we have a Steinhart, and it is the Ocean 39 with the ceramic bezel insert. Now, for a bit of context, I've been a fan of the whole Submariner look for a while now, and all the ones that I've bought and sold from AliExpress and reviewed on the channel, they never clicked. I just never managed to keep a hold of them for a very long time, and recently I just wanted to buy a watch and this just made sense. Now this is 39 millimeters. It has a female end links. Steinhart are well known for good quality watches, and it has a very good movement in it. So, and also it was 430 euros, 445 delivered to my door. No tax, no import duty or anything. So again, this seems like very, very good value for money. Now let's have a look and see what you get in the package, because I am beyond excited about this. And this came actually today in the post, and I had to stop myself from not opening this. And oh, this is actually quite easy. I have my knife ready. Nope. So I might actually have to cut it. That's okay. We are prepared. And this got delivered from Germany to Ireland, I think in, I want to say 6 days, through FedEx, shipping and everything. It was a very, very straightforward transaction. Like I said, I'll put all the links in the description box, but I actually bought this off the original website, not the Nomon. I think it's a website where they do a collaboration of sorts with them. This is very nicely packaged, and you can never have too much bubble wrap around the house. And for us watch reviewers, we know how much this counts. Very well wrapped. Now, I won't look at this now. I will put it away for the moment because it has my address on it and everything. And there is the Steinhart. Well, I like the way that reflects off the studio lights. Now, let's open it. Ooh, again. Thank you, Ocean 39 Black Ceramic ETA. That's the movement, the Elabor version. That is very nice. Thank you. This package was lovingly prepared for you by Simona. That is a very nice name. I think that's a Romanian name. We have that in Romania also. So you have your specification of the mechanical movements with operating instructions. So the instruction manual. Let's put these away. Now this leatherette style box. So far the unboxing is actually quite a lovely experience, I have to say. It just, again, this just felt right. The size, they do bigger ones as well, but for me the 39 just made sense. And there it is. There it is. Now I had a Steinhart before, guys. Actually, no, sorry, my apologies. I didn't have a Steinhart before. I handled one before, and I was just impressed with the overall quality, and this one doesn't disappoint either. This looks very, very good. Very good. Ooh, I like that. I actually quite like that a lot. I have been a fan of the Submariner look, like I was saying, but it's something never actually made sense sometimes when buying one. I'm sure a lot of you will give out about this in the comment section, but that's why it's there. Down below, it's next to the subscribe button and that like button. Let's. Oh, yes. Look at that dial. You can see the blue, slightly purplish anti-reflective coating, and it beats, it lives. Ocean 1 Steinhart applied indices. That is beautiful, guys. I'm actually, so far I am impressed. Let's hear the bezel. It's aligned properly. Let's have a look. Yep, from what I can see here, from where I'm standing, it does align properly. And that is solid. So far, guys, this actually ticks a lot of boxes, and it tickles me the right way. No backplay whatsoever, and it does align. That is beautiful. I have to get this on wrist. Let me just take all this wrapping off, all the plastic. again, I loved the unboxing experience. I love the way you unpack it. This bracelet, it's small enough, it tapers. I like the angle in the middle end links there, in the middle links. The tag, Steinhart. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Ceramic, that's the reference. Let's take the rest of the plastic off. I'll probably edit this waffle out in the final video, but again, it's always enjoyable, and it's always nice to peel off stickers off a new watch. And I think I may have jinxed it, because this one, is not as... Oh yes, it is. I just didn't do it right. Ah, yes. This, I had to rip it because I just could not wait anymore. What's the point of being so gentle all the time? Whatever that means. Now, okay, so it is just a... So it's not a double push to release, it's just a press action there to release. Mill clasp, very good. A lot of stickers. It's a bit wobbly, that's okay. And it also, love the finishing on it. That's okay, that is perfectly fine. Now let's put this on wrist really quick. I'm not going to adjust it in the video, but let's put this on wrist really quick and show you guys how it looks like. Oh, by the way, today I am wearing my Seiko Solar SSC something. I don't have the full reference number on handy. It's going to be a link in the description box below to the unboxing for this. Stick around, I'll do a full review on this coming on the channel very soon. Let's take this off. So the Seiko is 49 and this is 39. It looks big enough, but again, it just feels right. They don't provide any tools or anything to adjust, but it doesn't matter. Oh yeah. Oh yes. This. I don't know why I haven't done this earlier. I just don't know. But it feels like it should have been done earlier. Yep. Right choice. Yeah, so that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Steinhart Ocean 1. Let me put this away so it have this nice and clean here, the background. Yeah, that was the unboxing for the Steinhart Ocean 9. I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss the full review for this. Again, click a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys very, very soon with a review. Bye.